Hi everyone, this is Bharti. Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be doing a short prenatal yoga practice that will help you to treat and prevent leg cramps during pregnancy. Leg cramps are quite common during second and third trimester, especially during nighttime. In addition to these exercises, you can also add calcium and magnesium supplements to your diet, stay well hydrated, and be active for at least 30 minutes during the day to treat and prevent leg cramps. You'll need a chair and a yoga belt for today's practice. Once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. We'll start with a nice chair-supported downward-facing dog to warm up the hamstrings. So let's just come close to the chair. Bring both your hands on the back of the chair. Keep your feet more than hip distance apart. Take a deep breath in, lengthening the spine. And as you exhale, start walking back to come into half downward dog. Bring your back parallel to the floor, pressing the chest close to the mat. You can keep your knees slightly bent. And let's just take a few deep breaths here. Breathing into our lower back first. One more deep breath. And then slowly come back. We'll do this once more. Again, inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, start walking back. Coming to half downward dog. And this time, let's start paddling our knees by straightening one knee at a time. And breathing into the stretch in the back of the legs. Try straightening both the legs. And let's just stay here for 3 deep breaths. Three, 2, and 1, and then slowly walk back in. Next, we'll get into pyramid pose or Parsvottanasana. So take a big step back with the left leg. The right foot is pointing towards the chair and the left foot is at 45 degrees. We're going to take a deep breath in, lengthen the spine. Exhale, start folding forward. And then bring both the hands to the chair. You should be getting a stretch in the back of the front leg. Try to keep your spine long, looking forward. If you don't feel any stretch yet, you can also come onto your elbows. Just make sure your abdomen is not getting compressed. So have hip distance gap between both the legs. And let's stay for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back up and come back to center, and let's change sides. Bring the left foot in front, right foot at 45 degrees. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Take your variation of hands on the chair or elbows on the chair. Keeping the spine long. Let's stay for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up and come back up. and then we'll get down onto the mat. Let's come down onto the mat, extend both the legs in front. You can sit on a yoga block or cushion if sitting all the way down on the mat doesn't feel comfortable. We'll start with some stretches. So let's just point and flex the toes a few times. You can take support of your hands to keep the back long, and let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then let's start rotating them in clockwise direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse. And relax. Now grab your yoga belt. Bring the left foot in close to the perineum, and then loop the belt around the right foot. And we'll get into Janu Shirshasana. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward slightly and pull the belt back, keeping the right foot flexed so that the toes point towards you. And let's breathe into the stretch in the back of the right calf muscles and hamstrings for 3, 2, and 1. And slowly release, and let's do it for the other side. Extend the left foot out, loop the belt around the left foot. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold slightly forward, keeping the back long and the left foot flexed for 3, 2, 1, and release. You can do this stretch even on your bed just before night time to get some blood circulation in the legs. Finally, let's come back close to the chair, and we'll just prop our legs up on the chair for some relaxation. So you come close to the base of the chair, slowly roll sideways, bringing the legs up, and then come down. You can prop a cushion under your lower back if it doesn't feel comfortable. And let's just stay here for a few deep breaths. Slowly turn to one side, bringing the legs down, and then come up. So I hope you found this practice helpful. I'll see you with a new video soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.